To remove Bluetooth device in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings icon. On Windows Settings screen, tap or click Devices, Bluetooth, Printers, Mouse, and then on Settings device, select Bluetooth and other device. On other device, you must turn on Bluetooth first, and then on other devices, select device Bluetooth device you want to remove, for example iPhone, and then click or tap remove device. Are you sure you want to remove this device? Click yes if you sure. Wait for process. Remove device. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.